We just installed the 2013 to 18 Lexus IS RC Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto, a complete replacement screen that adds wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Android Auto. We're going to come here to settings. This is an Android phone that we use for demos. It's a little bit on the slower side. Then we'll come to Bluetooth here in the connections menu. You're going to look for a new device. Yours will start with Hamilton. This is our test device that has a different name. We'll go ahead and click on it. Click pair to the pairing code. If it asks you to use favorites and contacts, click allow. And if it asks you to approve Android Auto, click approve. This phone takes a little bit on the longer side to open Android Auto because it's a slower phone. But here you go, just like that, wireless Android Auto. This is a 10.25-inch touchscreen that you can interact with by reaching out and touching it. Of course, you can also use your factory knob or mouse. This is the car that had the factory knob. You can see that I'm moving through the menus here, and pushing the knob will select it. No matter which music app you want to use, whether Spotify, YouTube Music, Pandora, Sirius XM Radio, or otherwise, you'll have access to every music app on your phone automatically. The same goes for navigation. This is Waze here, and you can see Waze is automatically loaded onto Android Auto, and you'll hear your directions.
All set, let's go. In 300 feet, turn right, then turn right.
This is so much better than the factory Lexus system. Our system has been precision tuned by our top-of-the-line engineers to use your factory microphone. And a lot of systems try to use the factory microphone, but they're not good at it. Our engineers know exactly what they're doing. The microphone is crisp and clear. You can see as we interact with the Google Voice Assistant. Hey Google, what's the weather like in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Currently in Raleigh, it's 76 degrees and mostly sunny. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 74 and a low of 63 and clear.
Because we've tuned the factory microphone perfectly, she has no trouble hearing me. We can also make phone calls or text messages. Here's your backup camera. This was the car that had that original small screen. If you had the original big screen, your backup camera would fill the full screen. We maintained that original aspect ratio. I'm going to tell you one important thing about setting up the audio after you've paired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds will bring you back to the factory screen. This was the car with the knob, so it has this style factory screen. It's very important that you set your system to aux mode. By default, our systems come configured to use aux mode. We have folks from time to time who tell us they want to use their factory Bluetooth for audio, and that is possible. You can reach out to customer service and we'll tell you how to do that. But you want your system by default to be set to aux mode. Your phone will stream music through to the Hamilton screen, and the Hamilton screen has grabbed your aux line behind your factory radio for audio. For Android users only, you want to have your phone also still connected to your factory Bluetooth. Once again, you'll have it on aux mode, but you'll have your phone still connected to your factory Bluetooth. Your Android phone will automatically use your factory Bluetooth network for phone calls. Android phones prefer to use the factory network for phone calls. Once again, aux mode for audio, you'll leave it in aux mode, but keep your phone double paired both to the new Hamilton network and to your original system. iPhone users, watch our video on how to set up CarPlay and audio for iPhones. Long holding that menu button will take us back to Android Auto here. A quick press of the menu button takes us to the Hamilton underlying operating system. This unit has 128 gigs of onboard storage, 8 gigs of RAM, and a top-of-the-line Qualcomm processor. It allows you to load any app from the Google Play Store directly onto the Hamilton system. This makes the Hamilton system more powerful than even the newest cars on the market. It gives you a whole lot of features that might not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. A quick press of the menu button brings us back into Android Auto. We have a legendary 3-year warranty on all our products, customer service based in Raleigh, North Carolina. You can call me or one of my teammates at 919-858-2890. We sell screens or upgrade modules for every version of Lexus and Toyota. Check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com.